Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on a daily crypto plan. Today is July 5th, Friday. I think is a really interesting day looking at the higher time frame charts. Good morning, Elso. Morning, Bukur. Morning, Robert. Morning, Kos, Rocco. Morning, Hania. Nice to see you here. Well, at least it's not boring anymore. We have a lot of fields on the investment part. Hope everyone is playing the investment part. We have the road to financial freedom, it's free. We have last chance challenge from premium, dollar cost averaging kind of plan. Well, we got a lot of fields. Miku will take care of checking the boxes and updating the spreadsheets. I think today or until tomorrow he'll finish updating. Well, what do we have here? I think starting with Bitcoin on weekly chart is not bad. Well, let's take a look at this long-term uptrend line. Why? You can see this one was really well respected in time. Even here. And now probably we'll have the same respect for this trend line. That doesn't mean, don't get me wrong, we are on weekly chart. This candle is not closed. But that doesn't mean we cannot go to 52, maybe at 50, and then bounce back and close above. Or even if we close below, idea is that this is the healthy uptrend for me. And that one is pointing up higher and higher. When we are above, in my view, we are not buying value. When we are below, we can think about value, we can think about cost of mining Bitcoin, things like that. Well, for the moment, what we had from the last night. Well, yesterday we were talking about if the McDonald's YAM will confirm and will break down. Well, I don't think we need to question that, that one anymore. That YAM, it's almost hitting the one-to-one target. So target for this YAM will be somewhere in this area, 50, 52K. And you can see we are at 54. I don't know what exactly will happen, but I'm expecting a little bit of support here, on weekly I mean. You can see we stayed here 3 weeks. The big support, don't get me wrong, the big support, if ugly things, ugly news could still come out, people will sell more Bitcoin, it's here at 45. This is the support here. Here it's a support on daily, not on weekly. On weekly is just you can see, one red candle and that's it. I don't get it. 1, 2, 3. What? I'm the number 1, 2, 3. I'm a number now? Okay, so here at 45 I could expect some serious support. That doesn't mean we'll reach that level. A lot of smart traders, they are saying, well, we are in a strong bull market and it's enough for us to stop at 52. Maybe they are right. I'm not saying they are wrong. But looking at technical part, I'm seeing big support at 45K. That's simple. Okay, indicators. You remember that we talked about this chart. You can see head and shoulder pattern. We anticipated that this pattern. That's how you are taking advantage of the technical analysis, not after the fact. Before the fact, you are anticipating, you are framing a setup, you are thinking, well, if that will happen, this could happen. And you can see what we have here. Morning, Andre. I'm not talking about the RSI. RSI had on weekly bearish divergence here. Not too many people saw it. Why? Because it's on the line chart. It's not on the candlestick. But just imagine that big money, they are not looking at the candles like us. They are looking at the line chart. They don't care about wicks and tails. Look at this one. This is their chart. And if you look at this from this point of view, we had some bearish divergence here. OBV and RSI. That was the sign. We discussed many times that here, that if the market will bounce back at 70k, we'll short the fuck out of it. Hopefully everyone did that. We did that, and we are positioned really nice and clean now. Yeah, we hedged our portfolio, even if we locked kind of a 70k environment. Why? Because, well, we'll compensate if Bitcoin will go down. We'll compensate with that short. So our portfolio should stay relatively stable. That's not a bad thing. It's a hard thing to do. We managed to do it. Hopefully, not everyone, but majority of the crypto traders arena people listen to that. Okay, that's the weekly. What we can expect next? That's the question, not what happened. Well, next, let's see if we'll touch this level and what will happen. I don't know, and I don't need to know. Let's see what will happen here. If I'll see a W here, a 3-bar fractal, something, okay, we can think long. It's too late for us to think short. From now on, we should think hunting long ideas. Careful, but we should hunt long ideas on Bitcoin. Especially 52, 50k, it's a good level to do that. Now, if we'll go on daily, now, I'll go on daily chart. I'll switch the chart. You can see we have the the short here. Yeah? From 70k, we are short. Everyone should be still short here. Our target for this short is here. Look at daily, you can see the support and resistance. That's why I'm saying that it's not a big one. You can see, it's there, but not too much. Yeah? The big one is here, in this area. Look left if you don't believe me. Where is the support? And you'll see 45, 40k, pretty important. But I think we can stop here. That's my target. I'll close everything? No, but I'll close some. I'll close more than 50%. And then I'll take the risk to lose some from the hedge, some profit from the hedge. If the market will keep pushing lower, okay, I'll have 50%, but I want to lock some profit here. Yeah, I'll lock some profit from this short at 52. It's up to you if you want 50%. If you are more bearish, maybe close less than 50%. I'll close 50%. I don't want to think about it. 50% is good enough. I don't see bullish divergence for the moment on daily chart. That's not a good sign. That's not a bullish sign. Yeah, remember that. We don't have anything bullish on indicators here. Let's see how this daily candle will close, but we don't have anything bullish on indicators. And the location, well, even if you take this swing low, 38, okay, I get it. Long reload zone, it's a bit lower. So we want to have bullish divergence when we get here in the long reload zone to frame a general setup. Just not there yet. Not yet. Morning, Bova. So for the moment, let's wait a little bit. Let's wait for that setup, for a swing trade, I mean. Yeah, to hunt long ideas, to get from the short to become, I don't know, bullish again. Ethereum, I'll stay on daily for the moment. Ethereum, you can see, is testing the lows here. Some liquidity here. I think they took it already on Futures. Yeah, barely that, but they took it. You think we'll hold? This is a good support? I don't think so. I think we can push lower. But same idea. I don't think you want to short Ethereum at 2,800 when a couple of weeks ago was $4,000. Yeah, more than 4,000. No. Let's wait. Even if we confirm this big and ugly M, let's wait here in the long reload zone to hunt long ideas. Don't transform yourself in bears now. Don't do that. 2024 is buy the deep year. At least in my view. I will buy all the dips. We waited half a year for this environment. Be happy, enjoy it, and take advantage. Yeah? Deci be happy, enjoy it and take advantage. Now it's Mt. Gox. Yesterday was the German government. Doesn't fucking matter. Something has to push the market down. Every time is different, but it's the same. Buy when is blood on the streets, even if the blood is yours. That's how you make money. It's not my saying, it's from someone who's ruling this fucking world. Not in a good sense, but you get the idea. So, take advantage. I'm not saying, okay, let's sell our house and buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum at 2,800. No, but slowly dollar cost averaging. You waited a long period of time to get this environment. Could be the last bus. A lot of people, well, wait for the fall. Well, look at 2017, 2018. What the fuck happened in the fall? Happened something? No. The market pushed higher and higher and higher. We can have the top of the market in December. Everyone is waiting for the top of the market in 2025. Maybe, I don't know. This could be the last chance. So, take advantage. Buy now. Even if in the fall we'll get another dip, you'll manage to sell half on a double until then, what you are buying now. At least in my 2 cents. Okay, I blabbed away too much. There are too many things to say and I don't know, half an hour is not enough this time. Today at least. So here on Ethereum, we should think range. We should think here we have a small support. This is a Wyckoff check. We check that level. So I'm waiting here for a double. If I'll see something, well, we have pump chaser zone from the entire range. Could be something. Could be a fake out from this range. So we can wait a little bit here. Fake out and then up again. Bitcoin dominance. Well, it's still in the range, but we have something different here. Yesterday we confirmed this one. This is a W for new people. This is a W and could push higher. Still in the range. This W has the target here in the short reload zone. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah. So if you take a 2-to-1 from here, let's just put a tool here. It's pretty simple. We are not trading this one, just showing you the target with the trading tool. This is a 2-to-1. Can you see it? Can you see the level? Why I'm thinking Bitcoin dominance could go here. 2-to-1 here, and we cannot trade Bitcoin dominance. Not directly at least. But looks bullish here. Indicators confirming the price action. Nothing to complain about. I need a clear EM to think altcoin season. Altcoin season could start in 2 weeks, not now. Could start even at the end of July. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, someone, a stupid trader, said something about short reload zone, about retesting, double top. Let's see if we'll accept below this level and we can go back. I don't see a bull market starting, clear one on Ethereum, without touching long reload zone. Front running, okay, you can see what happened. If you stay on 4 days or something like that, well, not 4 days, 1 day. You can see the megaphone. We are still in the middle of the megaphone. We accepted below. We can go back here. We have some levels to retest. This is kind of a V bottom. I don't like it. For the moment, let's see if we'll confirm this EM. We have an EM here. We retested that one and we can form a bigger one. That's a McDonald's pattern here. And the target is at the bottom here, maybe 61.8. Just put a 2-to-1 from this EM and find the target. DXY. Well, on DXY, we are playing this level. Now we are at 105. It's behaving like a wall and like a magnet in the same time. So we'll play around this level. Nothing wrong with that. We talked about Bitcoin on a weekly chart. Let's take a look at let's take a look at total. Total looks bearish. You can see confirm the big EM. We have some support. On total we have the support here. So let's see if total will bounce from here. Monday we'll look again at this chart, but the big one is here. Yeah, 1.5 kind of trillion. Total 2 without Bitcoin, including Ethereum, but without Bitcoin. Well, similar. We are trying to accept below that support level. So the big one is here at 800 billion, 750 kind of idea. And total 3, well, it's reaching the support. That makes me think here we can, in 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, we can form a W and then to think higher. Maybe, it's possible. It's not probable, but let's see what will happen. Okay, let's go on lower and lower time frame. That means 4-hour chart. Yesterday, after the live stream, I said something. I posted this chart and I said I could miss the mountain man, but usually I don't miss the shark setup. Well, honestly, I took the mountain man here. Yeah, when we touched it, I took the mountain man and we had 1-to-1, move my stop to scratch, and they stopped me out. Simple as that. And I waited at shark setup, next level. I took this one, yeah? And here I closed the 50%. I changed the approach. I closed 50% from the trade. It's a free trade, and you can see even now we are at let's see, well, 8-to-1. So not bad for a scalp. Who didn't take this one had the possibility to take the retest here at 78.6. So I saw some people watching this level. Some of you took the trade, some of you didn't took the trade. If you didn't take the trade, not a big deal. Next boss. Don't try to outsmart the market here and short it. Just don't do it. Wait for a bounce here. If you are thinking here, 55,500 maybe, but 56,500 is the best level here to watch for a new short if the market is strong enough to bounce here. That's my 2 cents. Now let's go on 1-hour chart. I think it's better. I forgot that I was on a 3-minute chart. So it's bearish. We had a green candle. Usually you can see green candle down, green candle, could be the same pattern. Let's take a look at 4-hour chart, and then I could go lower on altcoins. I don't see anything below 4-hour chart. Let's take them one by one and let's look at the 4-hour chart. So trend line, you can see IEVO 36 fucking cents. Yeah, at some point in time this one was $3.7, 10 times higher. Now nobody wants to buy this one. Well, lose support. Pay attention. Dollar cost average here. Buy it. I'm buying it. I'm not trading it. I'm not trading IEVO, but I'm buying IEVO. I'll be honest. I'm fucking buying IEVO until I'll reach my investment limit. Slow and steady. But I don't see a setup. Not on 4-hour chart. And if I don't see here, I cannot see anything else. Alt, similar. We waited for this level from a long period of time. If you want to trade this one, okay, wait for a W. You have location, you have some potential divergence, even confirmed divergence. Just wait for a 4-hour daily W and you can trade it. Day trading, scalping here, don't recommend that. BNB, well, stable coin, but it's not stable anymore. You can see. Fake out. This was the top for a nice top for BNB. Look at it. But looking back, everything it's easy. Well, that was the fucking top. Well, now it's slowly bleeding to the half of the price on that. So it was a good short. Now I don't see a setup here. Let's just not Bitcoin. We talked about Bitcoin again, different template. Doge. Well, on Doge, we are getting in a support area. So here, if you want to wait for a daily 4-hour chart W, I'm not saying it's bad. Dimension, well, we had the trade. This one is done. Let's clean up the chart a little bit and let's see where we are. Well, it's at dimension, it's at $1. It's behaving $1, big fat round number is behaving like a support now. Where we started to trade this one? Well, on Binance, we started at 20 cents, 5 times lower. Someone could think about putting a limit order at 20 cents there, 21 cents maybe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to buy, what to sell. I'm here just to do my overview, and I'm doing it publicly. Yeah, you don't have to listen to me. Please don't listen to me. You have your own head and your own mind. You should do it with your plan, not mine. But you think, I'll just ask you, you think I have a limit order waiting at 21 cents? Or an alarm or something? It's up to you if you think it's a good idea. In the same time, $1 level is not bad for dollar cost average, not even for a trade. If you'll see, it's too early, but if you'll see a W, I think it's not a bad idea. In the same time, just imagine, they launched this one at 20 cents. Pre-sale, guys, how low they got this one? Huh? Ken, tell me. How low usually pre-sale guys enter in the market if they start trading at 20 cents? That's a good question. Okay. Think about it. So even 20 cents is not bulletproof. Imagine that. E-gold, well, seems like e-gold had a daily W. I like that. Was a fake out? I don't know. But it's back at 28. Like I said, my strategy on e-gold, they have 32 million in total, 25 in the market. Half of it is on staking. They have some working products. They have a good team. They got hacked and recovered. They are Romanians. A lot of people say they don't trust them. Well, I trust them because they are. I'm not trust them with more than 4 or 5% from my capital, of course. But I'll trust them with 4 or 5%. Not everything else. So I'm buying below $30. Dollar cost averaging style. I'm not trading. If I'll find a trade, I'll trade it, but that's something different. That has a stop loss. Either hits my take profit, either hits my stop loss. I'll make some money, and that's it. But investment wise, I'm dollar cost averaging below $30. I bought e-gold in the last bear market when they was new and shiny at above $5. 5, 8 kind of idea. So, the closer to that price, the better for me. It's just my choice. Here, well, if you go on 1 hour chart and you can see a W, I don't see anything on 4 hour chart, but probably on 1 hour chart or lower, we have some potential. Well, nothing. 15-minute chart. Well, there you go. You can see. Bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on RSI, some W's trying to form on OBV. If you think that Bitcoin could stop bleeding out for the moment or will reach 52 and will stay there a little bit more, this one has a W in the long relow zone. We can form even an LJ here and we can push higher. But you have to wait for a clear W. It's not ready yet. And for a clear setup. But it's looking a bit different than the rest. Okay, let's go back on 4 hour chart. Guys, if you have requests, please type in the chat. We'll get to dimension. Well, yeah, dimension 10 cents. Not bad. So 20 cents should be really good level, Ken. 20 cents should be a fucking good level if we reach that. Even $1, 10 times than the is not bad. 5 times. 5 times above their entry is not bad. Okay, dimension. We talked about e-gold. We talked about Ethereum. I talked about Ethereum. Let's wait to see what happens here. you can see on futures, we didn't took this level. Stefan, watch out for SFU. It's summertime. We have some liquidity here. If you want a reclaim and an SFU setup will be something nice for us. But just a scalp, imagine, we are scalping if we're waiting for this level. We'll stay on 5-minute chart, wait for the price to go below, close 5-minute chart above, we have a small window of risk, took the trade, win or loss, get the fuck out, next boss. Simple as that. So that's day trading, scalping, nothing more. FET. Well, FET, I don't know, is still trading. Friday at 3 a.m. and they stopped. Well, seems like they are still trading. They didn't do the merge yet. When will happen that? Ken, you know, Stefan? You know when they'll create the new coin? And will delist FET? It's holding this level, could be a nice SFU also on FET here, but reclaiming here. Now it's a good moment for power of 3. Stefan likes that setup. So could form power of 3 on a lot of altcoins. Joe, well, Joe is 25 cents. If you want to buy Joe, it's almost time. I'll show you why. Look at weekly. So if you want to buy some Joe, I think it's not a bad idea. It's in the area where you should get long. On the investment part, honestly, I'll go and manually buy more Joe. I'll do it after the live stream. Just 1 second to even put to write in my notebook. Joe, with big letters, so I will never forget. Okay. Okay, that's Joe. Jupiter. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. Weekly is not for trading. Well, Jupiter, you remember yesterday we had this bounce and I said, well, this is bearish. This is a pump and dump. Someone got an exit here. And give me, I'll be honest, give me 50 cents to get interested again. We are long from 50 cents. So my Jupiter is, my average is at 50 cents. Okay. Give me 50 cents. Maybe I'll think buying again, but give me 25. No? Give me the lower levels. It's holding for the moment, but not for long, I think. So below 50 cents will be really nice for me to add again. A trade, I don't see it. Manta, price discovery, really nice to reach the lows. Matic, well, Matic, it's like everything else. Zoom out on weekly and you'll see what is the big picture. If you love Matic, well, you should get interested here. On trading part, I don't know. I don't see a trade. Can you see a trade? Can you see an important level here? Not even a power of 3. They lost the level from some time. So the big one at 35 cents, if we'll form a W on 4-hour chart, maybe, but nothing now. Well, someone said this one is bullish and is strong. Well, it was. Look, some support here. We have some support lower here. But overall, I think this is the level we should watch. Come on. Yeah? A lot lower. So, if we reach these levels, okay, I could buy it. Here, I don't see a setup. We can form something here on 4-hour chart. If we'll wait a bit more, we can form a W here. I prefer a bit lower to form some bullish divergence. Maybe we have something on 15-minute chart for a day trade. Let's see indicators. Yeah, we have some on RSI and MACD. But that means Bitcoin should stay stable, and this one to do a dead cat bounce at least. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. And Pixel, we had a nice attempt to trade, didn't work. Next boss, it's a lot lower. I'm expecting here 70% lower. I'm expecting here big fat run number 10 cents. It's close enough for that level. If you want to blindly hit the level, if you want to wait for a setup, For a clear setup, you need a clear W. You have the location. It's not about bullish divergence because they will form reaching close to the 88.6 10 cents in this area. You'll have some bullish divergence. I'll focus, because we have location, I'll focus on a nice W. If you want to trade something like this, wait for a W. We lost the level, we lost everything, we lost the support, power of 3, well, didn't hold. Price discovery to the downside. Maybe it's better to just wait for this W the other side of the trend line. Could take some time. Solana. Well, Solana is holding. For the moment, really nice. So, it's exactly like I said. Solana is holding. For the moment, really nice. Because if you look on daily, we have some support here. If Bitcoin will keep pushing lower, Solana could get react and get in a 61.8. To buy Solana, not the meme coins, to buy Solana, I'll buy it below 61.8. That's my rule. I'm not allowed to buy anything above 61.8. So, below $85 will be my buy window. How low? I don't know. I'll buy 50. I'll buy how low it's possible to go. But I'm not allowed to buy Solana here. For a trade here, it's dangerous, but you can take the breakout and retest. 4-hour chart, let's go back on 4-hour chart. We discussed this one, yeah? Everyone was ETF on Solana, and I said it's a fake out. Watch out. Everything is nice and clean on the YouTube. Seems like it's slowing down or something happened. Ken, give me a... Okay, Ton. Let's look at Ton. I'll start on Ton with... yeah, something happened because I saw... Okay. Ton, well, it's strong. It's nice. That has a double top here. And let's put just what I have on Binance. I'm not talking about anything else. This is my area. So if Bitcoin will go below these levels or dip a little bit more, well, we should get a $4 kind of idea, maybe even lower. Look at indicators. Well, you can see they are confirming when you have some bearish divergence on OBV forming from a long time ago, from April. And I think the same is for RSI, same for MACD. We have some, yeah, it's strong. I'm dollar cost averaging, but I'll buy more the lower it goes. We can see lower levels here. For a trade, well, you have good support here to think long on Ton. Depending what will happen in the rest of the market, especially Bitcoin. Well, not even 4-hour chart. I think 1-hour chart. So guys, usually I'm looking at higher time frame to see support and resistance. You can see good support here. Let's see what happened here. Well, he's trying, not ready yet. So if you'll see a W, maybe we'll consolidate a little bit more. So no setup, not even 1 hour. 50-minute chart should be something. Well, not really. Disappointed. No setup here. Not even on 50-minute chart. I saw charts looking better than that. E-gold was looking better. That was my overview on 4-hour chart on some altcoins. Let's see Mbox. Mbox, it's on Binance. I don't know. Mbox. Let's see where we can find this one. Yeah, it's on Binance. I'll take a look at the higher time frame. I'll start with weekly if I have enough. Well, this one looks dead, no? I don't know if it's dead. I'm joking, Booker. I'm joking. I don't know the supply. I don't know. It's first time, or probably the first time I'm seeing this one. If you trust it and if you know it's still working and they'll do something, dollar cost average, I don't see a setup. We can form a nice setup here, a power of 3, but you need a reclaim here. So what will need to happen here? You'll need something like this. Let's assume we'll go a bit lower, then we'll jump up here, we'll retest here, and that's your entry. And from that point, could push higher, yeah? So that's your entry. Reclaim, reclaim, retest, and that's your power of 3 entry. For the moment, it's just below that level, and I don't see a setup. That's weekly. Indicators, well, you can see nice OBV here. I like it, not bad, but nothing special, nothing else on. You don't have a weekly double, you don't have anything. To be damn sure, to tell you the classic way, well, to be classic, wait for a weekly W on this one. Let's see daily. Similar. Well, 4-hour chart. Well, nothing. Nothing. Looks similar with everything. This one probably has a bigger supply or something that is still pushing higher. You have to think about something is going down, but you have to chart something else. And some people with experience know. Chart the market cap. Yeah? It's giving you an idea. The price could go down, but the market cap could still be high and something could happen there. If you compare it, you'll understand. Well, guys, let's not bore you with too much talk. We can go and trade with Stefan. We had a promotion until yesterday, 20% off. We are back at the original prices. If you want the last chance challenge, well, here it is. We are more than 41%. Miku didn't had time to update it, but if you want to join premium for this challenge, now is the time. Don't wait for the price to go up again. Now is the time to start. Let's see something I forgot to tell you about the calendar. Well, today we have non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Big news just 1 hour before the New York session. That could move the market. That could move the market, I don't know, in a good way or in a bad way. But we can get more fills. For a day trader, stay the fuck out. Bitcoin and crypto in general, it's volatile already. If you add gas in the news, it's better to stay out. You can get ugly slippage. I'll repeat, you can get ugly slippage and you can destroy an account with one trade. Just don't do it. I'm trading a 5 and 50 minute chart. Yeah, you saw me even last night, Rocco, taking that short on lower time frame. But in the news here, don't trade not even 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart, it's the minimum you can trade here. Okay, we talked about the news. Sentiment on on Twitter, it's low. It's really low, but could get lower. Don't get me wrong, but could get lower. Leave a like if you like the content. We'll hear us again in the New York session if you are a premium member. If you are a general member, Sunday I'll do a weekly crypto review where I'll talk about the overview on weekly and daily basis, and I'll do a review on the coins. We are at the end of the list. We'll talk about 13 or 14 coins this time. So be damn sure you'll follow that live stream. If not, Monday morning with the same live stream. Take care this weekend. Don't try to outsmart the market. Just buy the dip. Yeah, let's not say buy the dip. Dollar cost average the dips. Yeah, it's better. Buy the dip could go lower, but if you are dollar cost averaging, you are safe. Okay, leave a like if you like the content. Hopefully, I didn't talk too much. 40 minutes, well, it's kind of too much for a live stream. Okay, see you guys later in the New York session. Bye bye.